What up guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about the Golf Fleur Converse. So on Christmas Eve I noticed that Golf had restocked the Converse on their online shop, so I went ahead and just bought a pair. The box, it got a black bottom with the top that's kind of pink. It reminds me of the like OG Jordan boxes that were black with the red top. But this is nice. I really like this box. It's dope. So they come in this dust bag. Dust bag's pretty nice, really high quality stuff. I mean, as soon as you start pulling this stuff out, you see how much detail that was put into these. So they come in this burlap kind of dust bag, and immediately as soon as you open the box, you start seeing these details just overflowing out of here. There's so many details in this shoe. It has Golf Fleur Converse on there. It has a drawstring that's the same color as the top on the box. So I decided to get the green pair. This colorway was like the one I liked the most because they were all really cool, but you know, the cream ones, I already have a pair, like multiple pairs of all white shoes that I like. The yellow ones were pretty cool, but what I had liked about the green ones was these orange laces, which I think they all come with the orange laces, but the green ones were gonna be the ones that look the best with the orange laces. So I already put those on, orange laces. It comes with white laces, green laces, and a set of orange. I like the orange. It does look really clean with the white, I will say that, but I really just wanted like a really colorful shoe that would pop immediately when you saw it. Orange laces, and I had to get the green. They call this colorway the Holly Green and Hawaiian Ocean. I'm not sure what the orange is called. But like I said, you pull it out and you already see the details just overflowing. The upper is made from this hairy suede, which I normally don't like, but on this pair I could say that it actually works for me. It's not overly hairy, which also, you know, these are the Converse Unos and it has the star right here, but what I like that he turned it into a flower, you know, it kind of comes off like, has a little stream here. The bottoms, immediately when I saw these bottoms, it's sad to say that I was sold on the shoe by the bottoms, but I just love that orange. Well, in combination with the green and the blue, I love this orange right here. When they initially arrived, they had paper wrapping all over the tongue, and it had a tag on there saying that the colors in the shoe might rub off and stuff. So that's something to keep in mind if you keep those white laces on there, that they might end up start turning green. These are supposed to be the Converse Uno, but they are far from that. The quality on these is just crazy. I've seen the Unos in person and everything. I've tried them on. These have a full leather liner inside. Usually when you get the Unos, they're like made out of this same suede and everything, but where that star is, you see a patch of fabric on the inside. It looks really bootleg, and I can't believe Converse just lets that fly. Another thing I noticed is the insole is pretty comfy. Not quite Lunarlone. You know, if they would have put Lunarlone in these, it would have been crazy. One thing that I don't like about this shoe is the sizing. On the website it says the size down a half size or go down a full size. I tried on the regular Unos and the Chucks, and I could go down to a 7, but since they all go really narrow at the toe, I had to go 7.5. So I did go down a half size compared to like Stan Smiths and Vans. I wear a size 8. So if you do have a skinny foot, I would say you could size down a full size, but if you know that your foot is a little bit wider, I would only go down a half size on these. But overall, a great looking shoe and definitely worth $100. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.